Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh everyone. My name is Afsa Fatima. And my name is Maliha. Welcome to our channel. Friends, we're back and now we are at home and we're gonna open it. Let's first Maliha open her bookmarks. She bought mermaid bookmarks and I bought emojis bookmark.
Okay, this is Maliha's one. Wow.
Okay, there's a holder as well.
That is good.
Let's read first. Read first.
Oh,
That's so
friend,
cute.
she hurt herself. Look at this.
Index Animal Nemo bookmarks.
Let me check.
I want to check it. Each have 15. I'm so excited. Take out please one. Should I open it?
You mean to say each strip has 15?
Big.
Wow, amazing.
How to put
They are
it
same or the different?
different.
I mean the next one is doing okay.
This one is having 15 bookmarks, same. This one has 15 bookmarks, same. This one.
Amazing. Let me check first.
Wow, they're too cute.
Oh my god. This is so beautiful.
Look what am I gonna do? Pretend that it is my book.
Okay.
At the back side, I will take out all the and I will stick them to one side. See this girl? Mama, at the back side. And then this girl is also on this bookmark. See?
Yeah.
See, mom, see this. At the back side, show them. At the back side, I will put all the stickers. See this girl? Let's open. See this girl? And she is over here.
Okay. Yeah,
Now
now
my
it's
turn.
Afsa's turn.
I'm too excited to see yours.
And Afsa's
Oh,
are
so
emojis.
cute.
Happy face.
Now,
Let me check happy face, sad face. What are these?
These all are happy.
This is naughty. First one is naughty. This second one is I don't know what to say. It is also naughty. Feel like naughty. And the third one is shy. This is happy. This is super happy and
Okay, now
happy.
see it will dance.
And what is this green?
Happy
Oh, I mean,
Happy.
I feel so too much shy. Cheeks are pink, and this is also naughty. I think
Now
so.
let's open what I bought.
I love these. I feel like squishy toy.
And I don't know. I haven't seen it. I do not know, but I just read it.
I love these bookmarks too. Pick them big.
Oh my!
Super.
Oh, they're so cute.
Let me check the tower first.
They're so
This
cute.
is a tower of
them. I think you have
jellyfish.
it.
These are jellyfishes,
I
squids, or
love
what?
it.
Beautiful. The colors are so amazing.
Should I take one? You have to break it.
Let me check.
Let's see.
Amazing.
That's so cute color.
And this
Ah.
orange one. Wow, amazing.
These are highlight.
Yeah, neon.
Neon. And I wanna see that color. Why isn't it open? Green. Oh my gosh, I wanna try that. Wait.
Uh-huh.
We have one more.
Close them, please. Close them properly. Whoa! Don't on your hand. No.
Colors.
Amazing colors.
Amazing.
And the last one is cape for the protection of highlighters.
Now this is called a product.